Alright, so if your file is not converting and you're seeing a conversion failed error on Smallpdf, yeah, that's frustrating. But don't worry, this is usually caused by file issues, browser problems, or temporary glitches. So in 2026, let's go step by step and fix the Smallpdf conversion failed error. First, refresh the page and try again. Sometimes the process just glitches and a simple reload fixes it. Next, make sure your internet is stable. A weak connection can interrupt file processing. If your file is too large, conversion can fail. Try compressing it before uploading again. Now check your file name. Remove special characters like symbols or emojis. They can break conversion. If it still fails, switch your browser. Try Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge for better compatibility. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can interfere with file processing. Extensions like ad blockers can block conversions. Disable them temporarily and try again. Try using incognito or private mode. This gives you a clean session without interference. Make sure your file is supported. Corrupted or unusual formats can cause conversion failure. If nothing works, wait a few minutes and try again. Sometimes the server is just overloaded. So yeah, that's how to fix Smallpdf conversion failed errors in 2026. Follow these steps and your file should convert smoothly again.